Welcome to another tutorial on how to create an overlay with Pluxbox. If you're enjoying these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a new video. We are in the workspace and here I already made a simple UI as a home page. And we want to have an overlay by clicking on this button for adding a new user. To do that, I also designed another page name Add New User, which is a simple form. Just make sure that your overlay page has a background and is not transparent. Go to the home page and start by adding a frame to your canvas. I'll name it Overlay Frame. Set the width to 90% and the height to 100%. Then change the constraints to the right and set the space from top and right to 0. This is the position of the overlay which will display the Add New User page. Then select the main button and add a click event to it. Then add a set route block and connect it to the event block. We have to define the route. For the view, choose the home page and then it will show the overlay frame that we had already made. Change it to Add New User. Then go to Add New User page and select the Cancel button. Again add a click event and connect it to a set route block. For the route, choose Home Page View and for the overlay frame choose Empty Panel. Let's see the result. If you click on Add New User, you will see that the overlay appears. And by clicking on Cancel you can close the overlay. Now we want to make the background darker. To do that, go to Home Page and add a container. Name it Overlay Container and drag it to top of the overlay frame. Then change the width and height to 100%. And change the space from top and left to 0. You can add any background. I will go with a dark gray and make it 50% transparent. Then make this element invisible. Add a parameters change event to the view. Then add a get data block and connect it to the event block. For the path, you should write this, which is frame overlay frame. Then add a conditional block and connect the get data block to the left attribute. For the right attribute, write Add New User, which is the name of our page. Then add a flip block and connect it to other blocks. For the last part, select the overlay container and connect the flip block to the visibility attribute. It means, if the empty frame changes to the Add New User page, the overlay container flips from invisible to visible. Let's check the result. Now you can see the dark background here, and if you click on Cancel, it will be invisible. Thanks for watching this tutorial.